Hey loves, what's up? It's your girl Jess. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Here on my channel, I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, all types of stuff, food, anything under the sun pretty much is what I upload. So if any of that interests you guys, I would love for you to subscribe and hit the like button down below if you like hair videos. I know you guys love them. So yeah. I think that's all I have to say. I don't really have any updates for you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay guys, so for today's video, I have my pre-relaxer wash day routine. I'm getting a wash day this Saturday. So I think you guys are watching this, you guys are watching this on Wednesday. So this coming Saturday, I'm not sure the date, I think it's the 13th, March 13th? Yeah, March 14th, I'm sorry. I am getting a relaxer finally. My last relaxer was Halloween, so it's been a good chunk of time, but I feel like you can't really even tell. I love this hairstyle as well. I think it's super cute. I love it so much, and it really like hides your roots so that you can't really tell. But yeah, my hair is really doing well. It's thriving. She's happy, she's healthy, she's here. So for today's video, like I said, I'm sharing with you guys the products that I use to kind of prep my hair for my relaxer so that everything goes perfectly well. So if you guys like these types of videos, definitely let me know. I did film myself doing the process, but instead of me just doing a voiceover, I thought I'd just go kind of through it with you guys live here in person, face to face, you know? So, for my pre-relaxer day, I usually do this up to a week before my relaxer. So I washed my hair yesterday, which was Saturday. Today is Sunday, and I'm getting my hair done next Saturday. So this was a week before my wash day, a week before my relaxer day. I'm sorry, that I am doing this routine. I find that works best for me. Sorry, I'm gonna move my mic a little bit closer so that you can hear me. That's usually what works best for me. I don't wash my hair any closer to my wash day because then I feel like my hair is like too clean for the relaxer. I know that's like a myth or whatever, but I don't like to have my hair too clean when I'm about to get a relaxer. I don't know why. But for my pre-relaxer wash days, I really like to do a protein treatment and a really good intense deep conditioner because I find that really helps my hair when it comes to getting my relaxer. So first things first, I do a protein treatment on dry hair. I find that works better for my hair personally. If I do a protein treatment after I've washed and conditioned my hair, then I feel like my hair is just too strong almost, if that makes sense. It's just what works for me. It might work different for your hair, but my hair really does well when I use like a protein treatment as almost like a pre-poo. So for my protein treatment that I used this time, I went back to the oldie but goodie ORS Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise. I have been using this for years. This is one of my hair's like favorite protein treatments. I also really do like the shea butter, manuka honey, and yogurt, the one that comes in the blue container. I really like that one as well, but I just wanted to use this one. So if you guys have never used this before, this is like a really nice protein treatment. It's a conditioning treatment for damaged and weak hair, infused with nettle leaf and horsetail to nourish, while olive oil, egg protein, and wheat germ oil help restore damaged and depleted hair. This just works really well on my hair, and it's like the OG I feel like protein treatment, deep conditioner. So I apply this on dry hair. Today I added olive oil and avocado oil. Those have been like my two go-to oils recently for like the last few months, honestly. My hair just responds so well to both of those oils, and I use pure olive oil, not extra virgin. because I feel like when I use extra virgin, I smell like salad dressing. So, and I don't like that. But the pure olive oil has a much lighter scent and even feel to it, so I feel like it doesn't weigh my hair down as well. So I just mix that in a bowl, and I go ahead and apply that to my hair, almost like as if I was applying a relaxer. Honestly, I find that that works well so that I can get my new growth and all of the length of my hair, which you guys will see in the clip right now. And like I said, I am applying this on dry hair. I didn't dampen it. When I do my pre-poos and stuff, I do dampen my hair before applying the pre-poo mixture. But for this, I decided to just go ahead in on damp hair. I find that it works better on my hair personally. So once that is all applied in my hair, I go ahead and apply a shower cap to my head, and I let this sit for about a half an hour. I don't go over a half an hour just because I feel like it's unnecessary for when you're using a protein treatment. With my pre-poo, honestly, I'll leave it on all day and like wash my hair at night because I just don't care. But with a protein treatment, I don't want my hair to get like over proteined, if that makes sense. So I just leave this in for a half an hour. I did not sit under a heating cap this time, but you definitely can if that's what you're into. I was just busy doing things, so I didn't want to sit under my heating cap. But yeah, you can do that as well. And then to wash my hair, I really like using a clarifying shampoo. I feel like this is a major key when you're doing your pre-relaxer wash day, because this just makes sure that your hair is free of all the stuff that you have been building up on your hair while you between your relaxers. I do a clarifying wash day probably about 6 weeks after, I get my relaxer, because I usually get a relaxer and color. My hair is kind of like light brown right now because I do dye my hair black just because I love my hair black. But so when I do a relaxer and a color, semi-permanent color. I do not do permanent color on my hair. Unfortunately, I can't because I get relaxer. I feel like my hair would take the color a lot better if it was permanent, but I don't want to ruin my hair just for black hair. So, like I said, about 6 weeks in, I go ahead and use a clarifying shampoo, and then usually my relaxer stretches are about like 14 to 16 weeks, so by the time that I do it again, it's been like 6 weeks or so since I've used a clarifying shampoo. But this clarifying shampoo that I use is my tried and true. This is the olive oil ORS creamy aloe shampoo. I feel like everybody and their mama uses this for clarifying, and it's just so good. I actually really like this as a shampoo in general. I don't feel like it's super duper stripping, but I wish I could use this more because I don't like it because it strips my color, obviously, because it is like a it says it can be used as a neutralizing or clarifying shampoo, and it does neutralize and clarify very, very well. So I only use this once in a while because it does strip my color, like I said. But for my pre-relaxer wash days, I really don't care because I'm getting my hair colored within that week or so. So that's fine with me. So I use this, and I wash my hair 2 times with this, sometimes 3, depending on how dirty my hair is. Sometimes I wait like 2 weeks before my pre-relaxer wash day to wash my hair, or sometimes I just wash it like every week like normal. It just depends on my schedule. But I go ahead and wash my hair 2 times with the olive oil creamy aloe shampoo. This, like I said, is such a good clarifying shampoo, and I feel like it really cleanses my scalp, really gets down into my new growth and lathers it up and makes it super duper clean in there, and I just really, really love it. Once that is all rinsed out, I go ahead in for my deep conditioning treatment. This varies on which one I'm loving at the time, but right now I was really enjoying the Cream of Nature Intensive Conditioning Treatment. This one's really, really good. I like this a lot. I went ahead and added olive oil and avocado oil to this as well, just because I love my oils. I wouldn't suggest putting in like any essential oils or anything like that that kind of stimulates your scalp, because your scalp is going to be introduced to like chemicals with your relaxer and stuff, so that might cause like a reaction that you don't want to have. So I wouldn't suggest doing that. Just do like light, like natural oils, like not essential oils like peppermint or like spearmint or anything like that, because I feel like that is a recipe for disaster. But I just go ahead and add those 2 oils, and then just like the pre-poo protein treatment, I apply this to my hair almost like if I was applying a relaxer, but just helps me get my new growth as well as the length of my hair, like I said earlier. And I just applied that, and I let this sit for 45 minutes, and I did sit under my heating towel with the deep conditioning treatment, just because I really want my hair to be super hydrated and moisturized and conditioned before I go ahead and kind of break down all of that when I do my relaxer. So I like my hair to be super moisturized before I go into relaxer as well. So once that is all applied, I rinse that out, and for my pre-relaxer wash day, I just completely let my hair air dry. I don't apply any blow drying to or anything. Today I did apply a little bit of heat just to this back section, because as you guys can see, I braided the front section here. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to do when I have I need a relaxer, because it just kind of hides my new growth and makes everything look really cute, like your girl has her life together, even though, you know, my new growth is like on and popping right now, so you never know. But usually I don't like straighten the back pieces. I do go ahead and just put it in a bun, and that is a really easy hairstyle to do once my hair is air dried. But I just wanted to do something a little different, and I haven't straightened my hair in like forever, so I just wanted to do something a little different. And I only did like one pass on like 370, so it wasn't a big deal, and I applied heat protection and all that. But to my hair, while it's air drying, I apply my Cream of Nature argan oil leave-in conditioner. Love it so much. It's just so good. And then I apply my what is it called, Elastic QP olive oil and mango butter leave-in conditioner. Again, my favorite. So good. And then I either apply more olive oil as to like lock it in, or I use this, like, the, what is it called? I don't have it in front of me. I will link it for you guys. But the Smooth and Shine hair polisher, the Smooth and Shine polisher, because I knew that I was going to straighten my hair. But if I'm not going to straighten or blow dry my hair or anything, I'll just use the olive oil because my hair loves it. But that is my pre-relaxer routine, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below before you leave. It was just a really easy pre-relaxer wash day. I love pre-relax wash days because it means that I soon won't have to deal with my new growth. But yeah, guys, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I'll talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.